Amazon's early Black Friday deals are here, and they're bigger than ever. Even before the official Black Friday rush, Amazon has slashed prices on 40 must-have products, with discounts of up to 50% off. Stick around till the end to grab top tech, home essentials, and more at unbeatable prices. All the deal links are in the description below. Our first deal features the Samsung 77-inch 4K Smart TV, now 36% off, priced at $1,998, down from $3,098. This premium TV uses Samsung's advanced 4K AI processor with 128 neural networks for stunning clarity, delivers powerful brightness and deep contrast in every pixel, offers ultra-smooth motion for sports and gaming, and transforms all your favorite content into lifelike HDR quality. Our second deal features the Apple Watch Series 10, now 30% off, priced at $280, down from $399. It boasts a larger and brighter display and a thinner design, delivers advanced health insights like ECG and blood oxygen monitoring, tracks every workout with precision, and keeps you connected through calls, messages, and safety features like fall and crash detection. Our third deal features the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Automatic Espresso Machine, now 39% off, priced at $550, down from $900. It offers 7 one-touch coffee recipes, a precise 13-setting conical burr grinder, the latte crema system for perfectly textured milk, and easy-to-clean removable parts for effortless maintenance. Our fourth deal features the Jackery Home Power Portable Power Station, now 50% off, priced at $1,499, down from $2,999. This powerful backup station delivers 3,600 watts output with a 3,072 watt-hours capacity, supports fast recharging and solar input, runs home essentials smoothly during outages, and offers ultra-reliable LiFePO4 battery performance in a compact portable design. Our fifth deal features the Roborock Q7M5 plus robot vacuum and mop, now 49% off, priced at $220, down from $430. It offers 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning with a 2.7-liter dust bag, delivers 10,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction, combines vacuuming and mopping for deep cleaning, and uses advanced LiDAR navigation for precise, efficient coverage across your entire home. Our sixth deal features the Keurig K Supreme Coffee Maker, now 48% off, priced at $99, down from $190. It brews rich, aromatic coffee with multi-stream technology, offers multiple cup sizes, features a large dual-position water reservoir, and delivers fast, fresh coffee in minutes, perfect for busy mornings or iced brews on demand. Our seventh deal features the Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1, now 38% off, priced at $80, down from $130. It uses Air Crisp technology for crispy golden results with little to no oil, offers 4 cooking functions, fits generous portions in its 5-quart basket, and cleans up easily with non-stick dishwasher-safe parts. Our eighth deal features the Westinghouse Home Backup Generator, now 25% off, priced at $862, down from $1,149. It delivers up to 12,500 peak watts for powerful home backup, features remote and electric start options, runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, and includes multiple protected outlets for safe, reliable performance during any outage. Our ninth deal features the JBL Tune 510BT, now 50% off, priced at $25, down from $50. These wireless headphones deliver powerful JBL pure bass sound, offer up to 40 hours of battery life with fast USB-C charging, support dual Bluetooth connections, and include an on-ear microphone for easy hands-free calls and voice assistant access. Our 10th deal features the EcoFlow Delta 2, now 12% off, priced at $1,499, down from $1,699. It charges up to 80% in just 43 minutes, powers nearly all household devices with up to 2,400 watts output, features a long-lasting LFP battery with thousands of cycles, and offers expandable capacity along with quiet, app-controlled operation for seamless energy management. Our 11th deal features the Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, now 25% off, priced at $90, down from $120. It delivers crispy, juicy results with Turbo Blaze technology, offers precise temperature and fan control, features a large 6-quart non-stick ceramic basket, and cooks meals with up to 95% less oil for healthier, delicious results. Our 12th deal features the DeWalt cordless drill and impact driver, now 17% off, priced at $149, down from $179. This powerful combo delivers up to 300 UWO of performance, features compact designs for tight spaces, offers ergonomic handles for comfort, and includes precision chucks with LED lighting for easy, accurate work in any setting. Our 13th deal features the Shure SM7B vocal dynamic microphone, now 20% off, priced at $351, down from $439. This professional microphone delivers crystal clear vocal capture, features broadcast-ready shock isolation and pop filter, offers XLR connectivity for full audio control, and is built with studio-grade shielding and durability for pristine, versatile sound. Our 14th deal features the 128 cans beverage refrigerator cooler, now 15% off, priced at $204, down from $240. It holds up to 128 cans with customizable shelving, features a smart touch control panel for precise temperature settings, uses powerful cooling with advanced insulation, and includes a stylish design with reversible glass door and soft LED lighting. Our 15th deal features the Anker Prime Power Bank, now 19% off, priced at $220, down from $270. It delivers up to 250 watts multi-device fast charging, offers a compact 27,650 mAh capacity for long-haul power, recharges quickly via dual USB-C ports, and is compatible with laptops, phones, drones, and more for versatile on-the-go use. Our 16th deal features the All-Clad D5 brushed cookware set, now 10% off, priced at $900, down from $1,000. This 5-ply stainless steel set ensures even heat distribution, includes versatile saucepans, fry pans, and stock pots with lids, offers durable oven and broiler-safe construction, and adds an elegant drip-free design perfect for any kitchen. Our 17th deal features the Q-Life Racer electric bike, now 14% off, priced at $370, down from $430. It offers a 21-speed gear set with 4 riding modes, a powerful 1,000 watts/750 watts motor, a long-lasting 36-volt battery with up to 40 miles range, and a comfortable, safe ride with dual suspension, LCD display, and integrated lights. Our 18th deal features the Monster Rockin' Roller 270 Bluetooth speaker, now 20% off, priced at $207, down from $259. It delivers 200 watts of powerful sound, offers up to 100 hours of playtime, features key wireless charging, supports TWS pairing for enhanced audio, and is built with IPX4 weather resistance for reliable outdoor performance. Our 19th deal features the foldable rowing machine for home, now 15% off, priced at $595, down from $700. It provides smooth, natural water resistance for a full-body workout, includes a performance monitor and free app access with trainer-led sessions, offers an ergonomic, comfortable design, and is built with premium, sturdy materials for long-lasting use. Our 20th deal features the Max & Lily Bunk Bed Twin, now 17% off, priced at $499, down from $599. This solid pine bed frame offers durable, non-toxic construction, supports up to 400 pounds per bed, features stable metal-on-metal connections, and provides a space-saving design with a slatted headboard and panel footboard. Our 21st deal features the Cumbergay self-cleaning litter box, now 33% off, priced at $200, down from $300. It uses advanced sensors for cat safety, holds up to 95 liters with a 15-liter waste bin, operates quietly, and offers effortless cleanup with odor control and smart app management for convenient monitoring. Our 22nd deal features the Wavy Talk hair dryer, now 31% off, priced at $32, down from $46. It delivers 2 times faster drying with a powerful 1,875 watt motor, reduces frizz with Ionic technology, includes 3 styling attachments, and offers customizable heat and airflow settings with built-in safety protection. Our 23rd deal features the Anker 621 magnetic portable charger, now 29% off, priced at $28, down from $40. It's ultra compact and pocket sized, magnetically attaches to iPhone 14 and 15 for secure charging, delivers reliable fast power, and snaps on easily for convenient on-the-go use. Our 24th deal features the Sansai 34-inch curved gaming monitor, now 26% off, priced at $200, down from $270. It offers a 34-inch ultra-wide curved display with 165Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and FreeSync support, features an ergonomic stand with tilt and Visa compatibility, and provides wide viewing angles with PIP/PBP functionality for an immersive gaming experience. Our 25th deal features the Insignia 32-inch Class FE Smart TV, now 42% off, priced at $75, down from $130. It delivers 1080p HD resolution with LED backlit color and contrast, offers streaming access to popular apps like Netflix and Prime Video, includes DTS True Surround for immersive sound, and features Alexa voice control for easy navigation and smart home integration. Our 26th deal features the AI hand warmers Rechargeable, now 40% off, priced at $18, down from $30. These portable 2-in-1 hand warmers provide 360-degree heat, feature an AI temperature sensor with 3 adjustable levels, deliver up to 20 hours of warmth, and boast a sleek ergonomic design perfect for winter activities and travel. Our 27th deal features the Hapron 1080p Bluetooth mini projector, now 24% off, priced at $77, down from $100. It delivers native 1080p Full HD visuals, features Bluetooth 5.1 for connecting speakers or headphones, includes built-in hi-fi stereo sound, and works seamlessly with TV sticks for an immersive home theater experience. Our 28th deal is the Sony Bravia 75-inch 5 Series TV, now 30% off at $1,398, down from $2,000. It features mini LED brightness and contrast, billions of real-world colors with XR Triluminos Pro, AI-powered XR processor for stunning visuals, Google TV with streaming apps, and PS5 optimized picture settings for immersive gaming. Our 29th deal is the Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine, now 32% off at $100, down from $147. It preserves food up to 3 years, features dual heat sealing for airtight freshness, includes a built-in bag cutter and accessory hose, and comes with multiple pre-cut rolls and bags for versatile storage. Our 30th deal is the Philips fully automatic espresso machine, now 24% off at $990, down from $1,300. It offers 20 drink presets, one-touch brewing with customizable strength and milk preferences, a fast and easy-to-clean Latte Go milk system, and quiet brewing for cafe-quality coffee at home. Our 31st deal features the Nymo 15.6-inch light gaming laptop, now 40% off, priced at $600, down from $1,001. This powerful laptop boasts an AMD Ryzen 7 Pro processor, 32GB RAM with a 1TB SSD, a vibrant FHD IPS display, and a backlit keyboard with fingerprint login for secure, effortless use anywhere. Our 32nd deal features the Motorola Moto G Stylus, now 25% off, priced at $300, down from $400. This sleek phone comes with a built-in stylus, a 6.7-inch POLED Super HD display with Dolby Atmos, fast 15-minute charging, and 256GB storage with RAM boost for smooth multitasking. Our 33rd deal features this all-in-one desktop computer for home, now 30% off, priced at $700, down from $999. It offers a 23.8-inch Full HD touch display, Intel N100 processor, 32GB RAM with 1TB SSD for fast performance, and Wi-Fi 6 with multiple ports for seamless connectivity and multitasking. Our 34th deal features this fish fryer boiler steamer set, now 18% off, priced at $106, down from $130. It includes a 30-quart and 10-quart pot, fryer and steamer baskets, a high-output 50,000 BTU burner, and accessories like a thermometer and marinade injector for versatile outdoor cooking. Our 35th deal features the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer, now 36% off, priced at $90, down from $140. This all-in-one appliance lets you air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast with 17 presets, uses 98% less oil for healthier meals, and offers a 10-liter capacity with easy-to-monitor cooking through its large window and interior lights. Our 36th deal features the Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi, now 23% off, priced at $99, down from $129. This compact machine brews 5 coffee sizes and single or double espressos with one-touch convenience, heats up in 30 seconds, and delivers smooth, full-bodied coffee topped with velvety crema. Plus, it comes with a complimentary Nespresso tasting pack. Our 37th deal features the Bissell Pro Heat Deep Cleaner, now 15% off, priced at $229, down from $270. This carpet cleaner tackles tough pet stains and odors with 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes, offers turbo strength motor suction, and features a quick dry express clean mode for carpets in about 30 minutes. Our 38th deal features the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush, now 23% off, priced at $46, down from $60. This Ionic thermal brush smooths frizz and adds shine, offers 5 temperature settings with an LED display, doubles as a curling iron for effortless waves, and heats quickly with dual PETC heaters for faster styling. Our 39th deal features the GeForce RTX 5080/16 GB GDDR7, now 16% off, priced at $1,350, down from $1,600. This powerful GPU uses NVIDIA Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, features military-grade components for durability, advanced cooling with 3 AxialTech fans, and a phase-change thermal pad for long-lasting, optimized performance. Our 40th deal features the Drio humidifiers for bedroom, now 10% off, priced at $36, down from $40. This 4-liter cool mist humidifier offers up to 36 hours of continuous moisture, ultrasonic quiet operation, fast and even humidification with a 40-inch mist height, and an easy top fill design for hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. So that's a wrap on today's 40 hidden early Black Friday deals on Amazon. If there's any product you think we missed, drop a comment and we'll include it in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone.